name is Marc Stoecker, and I'm a Senior Learning and Development Specialist at Involved Media. Today we're going to learn how to leverage social learning in Adobe Learning Manager in two parts. Social learning is a platform in Adobe Learning Manager that allows participants to share ideas and more in an informal environment that supplements traditional learning. Let's talk about how you'd share content. From the learner profile, you click on Social Learning in the left navigation bar. First, let's talk about sharing content. Sharing content allows users to interact and share content together. I'm going to click on a new post to see some examples. And those examples include a video, an audio file, a screenshot, an uploaded file, and something from the Adobe Learning Manager gallery. You can also add text questions and polls. There's even a social bookmarklet that allows users to share their learning with each other, such as web pages. Suppose I want to share my screen, my webcam, or both. I would go ahead and select the video icon here, and that would bring me to this screen where I could click to download the Adobe Learning Manager application. Once that's done, I can then go back to Adobe Learning Manager and I can see the record screen, webcam, or both option becomes available, and I can then record either or both. So what do you do if a lot of content shows up in your social learning feed? This experience can be addressed through content moderation and curation. I'm going to go ahead and log back in as an administrator and go to social learning. As you can see, there's a lot of information related to the activity on social learning, but we're going to focus on the settings for a moment. Just to note that when the social learning feature is enabled, that will allow your learners to share content with their peers, but this would need to be turned on for that to happen. If we go to the content curation section, we can see there's three options: auto-assisted, manual only, and no curation. For manual only curation, only subject matter experts would curate user-uploaded content, and that's the default for our Adobe Learning Manager. No curation is a setting where content can be posted to the boards and there's not intervention by a subject matter expert or by the auto-assisted manual curation option. A note on auto-assisted curation: it can be time-intensive and prone to errors, so it's critical to use this feature if you have a lot of users who are active socially. This auto-assisted curation is driven by an AI engine, which maps works with predefined skills. You can find out more under Skill Domain Mapping. Under Auto Curation, the following file types are allowed: PDFs, presentations, audio-video files, and documents. Let's go back to the learner role for a moment. So when a user uploads content in a board, an AI-based algorithm scrapes the text from the content, and the text is then passed onto the curation engine. That engine tries to find the skills present in the content. Whenever content gets auto-curated, the user gets a notification that the content is available in the board where it was previously uploaded. It's recommended the administrator adds subject matter experts for skills if manual only curation is on. Administrators can add subject matter experts by providing subject matter expert points in advance to users with expertise in a skill. Okay, let's return back to the administrator mode for the final part of the video. Click on Social Learning, and if I scroll down under Skills, each of the skills has a SME or SMEs associated with it. And again, SMEs are experts in specific skills. Admins can assign the SMEs to a particular skill to curate the content of that skill. The SMEs receive the curation request for boards linked to their skills, and learners can become SMEs by gaining points. So let's take a look at how I can, as an admin, add more points to a user's score to make them a subject matter expert. In this case, we'll look at eLearning. So I would go to the field and the link that says Modified SMEs, Advanced Options. I can see that I currently have 9 points, and to become a SME, I need more than that. I need 11. I'm going to add 2 more points, and voila, I'm now a SME for eLearning, and I can interact with the board as a SME. Okay, let's take a look at the final piece, which is AI. Let's go to the learner role As you can see, there are recommended learnings based on your areas of interest as a learner, and also recommended based on peer activity. So AI-based learning recommendations aim to enhance learner engagement and identify and address gaps in learning. There is a recommendation algorithm that's designed to take in multiple sources of input, including data on job roles, titles, and descriptions that Adobe has sourced from its partners. And that's it for leveraging social media and Adobe Learning Manager.
Thank you for spending time with our team at Involved Media. You can find more information on our company and service offerings at involvedmedia.com or by emailing us at sales@involvedmedia.com.